Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the blurriness of your picture on the Pixomatic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the plus icon down below. Tap on Start with Image in the New Project section and select your picture you want to edit. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find the blur icon and tap on it. Here you can select the blur of your picture on this slide. You can also do it manually. First of all, select the size by the help of this slide, then the strength, opacity, intensity of your tool, and brush over those areas that you want to make blurry. Then tap on the radial button and you can also position it within the screen. You can also do it linearly. You can use this mosaic function. You can also brush over the area if you want to make some of the parts in your picture blurry, and you can also use the eraser like this. Tap on the checkmark icon to save your picture. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.